This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn influencer marketing step by step. First, let's establish the foundational knowledge. Influencer marketing is a powerful strategy where brands collaborate with individuals who have a dedicated audience to promote products or services. It's crucial to understand the different types of influencers, from micro-influencers with 10,000 to 100,000 followers, to macro-influencers and celebrities. Identifying your specific target audience and setting clear, measurable campaign goals are your essential first steps. Next, it's time to develop a robust strategy. Begin by thoroughly researching and selecting influencers whose values and audience demographics perfectly align with your brand. Crafting a comprehensive campaign brief is vital. It should clearly outline your expectations, key messages, and deliverables. Furthermore, determine your budget carefully, considering various compensation models such as product gifting, flat fees, or performance-based payments, ensuring a mutually beneficial partnership for all involved. Now, let's move into the execution phase. Establishing open and consistent communication with your influencers is paramount for a smooth campaign. Leverage dedicated influencer marketing platforms or project management tools to streamline communication, content approvals, and scheduling. Always review all content submissions meticulously to ensure they align perfectly with your brand's messaging, tone, and guidelines before it goes live, maintaining brand integrity throughout the process. Finally, measuring your campaign's success is crucial for continuous improvement. Track key performance indicators such as engagement rates, reach, impressions, and conversion metrics to gauge effectiveness. Analyze the collected data thoroughly to identify strengths, weaknesses, and areas for improvement. These valuable insights will empower you to refine your strategies, optimize future influencer marketing efforts, and achieve even greater returns on your investment over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.